Good morning, student. Welcome here in your social science class. As you all of you know that we are discussing chapter number 3, how the state government works from your civics. Student, let's come here part 2 of this chapter. Part 1, we have already know about the fact that government works at the 3 level: local, state and national. And look at the work of the local government in some detail we have already studied. After this, student, in part 1 we have already discussed about the who is an MLA. Yes, members of the Legislative Assembly. So MLAs are elected by the people, then they become member of the Legislative Assembly and also form the government. So in this way we say that the MLAs represent people. Okay, so you all of you know about after the elections we have already discussed. So student, just take a quick recap. Okay, so after the elections the MLAs belonging to the ruling party, and what do you understand by the ruling parties or majorities? Yes, a political parties whose MLAs have won more than half of the number of constituency in a state, which can also be said a majority. So MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader, who will become the chief minister. Then the chief minister select other people as minister, just like education minister, then health minister, then forest minister, then tourist minister. Okay, these are the ministers who, yes, who select the other ministers, chief minister. Okay, after the elections, it is a governor of the state. Here the nice question comes, student. After the election, who? Yes, governor of the state appoints the chief minister and other minister. Finally, then after this, we have already studied about the chief minister and other minister have the responsibility of various running the various government departments of ministries, just like they have separate office. Okay, a legislative assembly is a place. All of you know about the legislative assembly also, student. We have already discussed. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party and even from the opposition. Opposition also, all of you know about the opposition. So the political party that has the majority is called the ruling party. So what about the other members? Yes, and the other members are called the opposition. So legislative, yes, a legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether it from which one, yes, either ruling party and or opposition party, meet to discuss various things. Hence, you can say that some MLAs have dual responsibility. Okay, one as an MLA and other as minister. Now, student, just let's come here. So, the chief minister and other minister have to take decision and run the government. Here, all of you know about after the selection of the chief minister and other minister. So, who have to take the decision to run the government? Yes, the chief minister and the other minister have to take decision and run the government. However, whatever the decision are being taken have to be, yes, any decision, any legal, any policies and anything they have to follow. It can be approved by the member of the legislative assembly. Okay, in a democracy these members can ask questions. Okay, even members from the members from the opposition party also. Yes, in a democracy these members can ask questions also, debate an important issue. They can raise their hand, what's the things going on, this and this, about your scheme, about your development. Even they can highlight the drawbacks also, student. Okay, drawbacks of some policies and all. So in a democracy these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent and etc. related to all things. Fine. क्या हुआ, मिले नहीं? Now the student, just look at here. Okay, a debate in the legislative assembly. Here as you can see the picture also. So here we will talk about the Afreen, Sujata and many other students from their school travel to the state capital to visit the legislative assembly. Okay, and which was housed in an impressive building. You know, students, children were very excited. Okay, children were very excited because after security checks they were taken upstairs. So there was a gallery from where they could see the large hall below. There were rows and rows and desks also. So MLAs can express. Here this assembly was going to have a debate on a current problem. So during this time, MLAs can express their opinion, ask questions and related to issue or give suggestion and about what should be done by the government. Those who wish to can respond to this. Okay, opposition parties also ask some questions related to the schemes and related to the policies, what should be done by the government for the development of the country. Then the minister replied to the question and tried to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. Yes, it's minister responsibility also to reply the question. So the session began with the question asked. So and tried to assure the assembly that adequate some of the steps, but steps are being taken. The chief minister and other minister have to take decision and run the government, as you all of you know. So we usually also hear about this or see this in the news channels or in the newspaper also. So however, whatever decisions are being taken have to approved by the members of the legislative assembly. In a democracy, these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. They have the main authority. Now let's come here, student. Look at here, MLA 1. Okay, so MLA 1. What he said in my constituency of where? Yes, Akhanda Gaon. Okay, where Akhanda Gaon during the last 3 weeks there were 15 deaths. Okay, because of the diarrhea there were that times 15 deaths. So I think it's a shame that this government has not been able to take the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea. Okay, so what he said, due to the impure drinking of water, so diarrhea, or you can say that, so check the situation. Okay, and it is very shameful for the government. I would call the attention of the minister in charge of the health to take immediate. So what he wanted to take the action of from whom? Health minister. Okay, so charge of health, who is taking the charge of health minister to take immediate measure to control the situation. Okay, now then MLA 2. My question is, why our government hospital is such a bad situation? He raised a question he raised the question about the bad situation. Okay, about the which one? Bad situation of the government hospital. Why is the government not appointing proper doctors? He again said that regarding the government hospitals, why government not appointing proper doctors and other medical staff in the district. I would also like to know how the government plan to deal with the situation which is affecting a large number of people and also spreading this as an epidemic. Then after all, member 3rd, MLA 3rd, okay, what he said. My constituency, now he's again raising telling about the constituency, and what about his constituency? Okay, Tolpatti. Okay, so my constituency of Tolpatti too has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to the 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? How many well and ponds have been cleared and disinfected due to the water shortage? Women also have to travel 3 or 4 kilometers, okay, to collect water. Tankers also. What about the supply of water? And wells and ponds also clean, he want. Okay, and they are disinfected. Now let's come here, MLA 4. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. Okay, but he said कि छुपा रहे हैं. Okay, the government, sorry, so exaggerating means, student, exaggerating means, okay, regarded or represented as larger, better or worse than in the reality. So what he said, MLA 4, I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken step to control the situation. It means कि we are taking the step. It means the MLA 4, it is from the ruling party, and what about the MLA 1, MLA 2 and MLA 3? These are from the These are from the opposition party. So water tankers have to put into the service. What he said? He said MLA 4 from the ruling party, water tankers have been put into the service. ORS packet also, okay, are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to help people. Then what about the wish thing? Yes, then about the MLA 5, we have very poor facility in our hospital. Again, actually this means he is from again opposition party. So we have very poor facilities in our hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have doctor, and no medical staff has been important for the last few years. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. But he said this is about the situation of the hospitals, because lackage of the doctor and medical staff, the situation is now going for bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS packet reach all the families in the affected area? Then again, the MLA 6, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. Actually this means he is again from the MLA 6 from the ruling party. The opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government did not pay any attention to the sanitization. We have not taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been laying around for years. So here the discussion, student. MLA 1 and MLA 2. So MLA 1 and 2 raised some questions regarding the health and water shortage. Then MLA 5, okay, also. Then MLA 4, yes, MLA 4 from the ruling party. Then he gave some of the schemes and all, but which we have adopted by the government. Then after this, MLA 6 against raised MLA 6 again said that the other MLA 5 and MLA 1 and 2, they are exaggerating and blaming the government. Now the debate, as you can all of you know that, okay, the members were debating the action taken or not taken by the government, which, yes, the earlier session, as you have read about a debate in the legislative assembly. So the member were debating the action taken or not taken by the government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible. Here the question comes, who are the responsible? Yes, because of the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. Even not a single MLA. I am saying about all the MLAs to work together. Okay. In common usage, the word government refers to the government department and various ministers here. Yes. Which one? Government department and various ministers who had them. So the overall head is the chief minister. As you all of you know that I have already told you. All the MLAs who gathered together assemble in the legislative assembly are called the legislature. Now the next one. Working of government. Here, as you all of you know that the legislative assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. So in a democracy, you can say that there are various ways. Okay, there are various ways through which people express their views and also take action. So okay, so you will find some newspaper, TV channels and other organization also regularly talking about the government. So let us look at one such way here, press conference. Okay, so soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. So we are going to look which thing. Yes, let us look at one such way. Soon after, now student, just look at here. Following is one such report of newspaper. Okay, under this, as you all of you know that we are discussing about a such way which the action and which one expressed in a newspaper. So take a look. The following is one such report of newspaper. During the next week, okay, which week the chief minister and the minister of health visited, both the chief minister and the minister, yes, minister of which thing? Minister of the health. Okay, visited Patalpuram district, where they visited both the chief minister and the health minister. They visited Patalpuram district. About why? To see the situation. What the situation? Okay, they went to visit the families. Where they visit the families who had lost their relatives, and also visited people in the hospital. Some people admitted in the hospitals, and some people also lost their relatives also during this. Okay. So chief minister and health minister both visited Patalpuram district to see the situation. The government announced a compensation of these families. Okay, so that's why, because some have lost their relatives and so also, and some of admitted in the hospital. So that's why government decide to give the compensation. Okay, so the government announced a compensation to give these families. The chief minister said that at a high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the need of the district to provide sanitization facilities and would request the Minister for Public Work to take care of the need of the proper water supply in the region. Now, what about the chief minister? The first of all, chief minister said to which thing they have to inquiry committee. Okay, an inquiry committee will be asked to look the need of the district to provide sanitation facilities and also to public work to take care of the proper water supply in the region. Then after this, as I saw you above, the people in power like the chief minister and the minister have to take action as due to that incident, Patalpuram district incident we have already read. So according to this, the power like the chief minister. Okay, chief minister also went with the which department? Health minister. Health से related problem थी बेटा, health से related डायरिया से लोग काफ़ी डेथ हुई थी उन लोगों की, काफ़ी रिलेटिव्स उनके लॉस्ट हुए थे, कुछ हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थे, सैनिटेशन नहीं था वहाँ प्रॉपर, वाटर सप्लाई ऑल्सो शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर था. सो हु द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द मिनिस्टर हैव टू टेक एक्शन. सो दे डू सो थ्रू वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट like other departments also, the public work department, okay, the agriculture department, the health department we have already studied here, the education department and so on. So which are the departments? Other departments? Yes, the other departments are which one? Yes, the public work department, okay, then the agriculture department, the health department, the education department and so on. They also have to answer the questions also. Okay, answer to question about that are asked in the legislative assembly. Some questions also asked in the legislative assembly. So both the chief minister and the minister have to give the answer also those questions raised in the legislative assembly and convince people asking the question. Yes, they have to convince the people also asking the question that proper steps are being taken. Which are the steps to improve the situation, to solve the problem? Which steps are being taken? At the same time, okay student, at the same time newspaper and the media, yes, again media and newspaper widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond. Yes, government again has to respond those questions asked by the whom? Yes, same time newspaper and the media. For example, by holding the press conference. Yes, press conference होती है बेटा, different questions ask किए जाते हैं, so many things. So the government can also decide to make new laws. Now we will talk about, if we talk about the work of the government also. So the government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. Okay, regarding which two matters? Regarding sanitation and regarding health facility. So for example, if we talk about regarding health and sanitation, for example, you can take, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation. Now again, just look at here. Whose duty? अब किसकी ड्यूटी है यहाँ? Municipal corporation. Who? Municipal corporation. Okay. To ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. If we talk about the urban areas, village areas, student, do you know there is वहाँ एक proper adequate toilet भी available नहीं है. Okay, so it's a municipal corporation compulsory to ensure that there are adequate toilet in every urban areas. हर जो विलेज का एरिया है, जो एवरी अर्बन एरिया है, वहाँ जो एडुकेट टॉयलेट है जो बिल्कुल अवेलेबल होने चाहिए. ओके, सो इट मे ऑल्सो एंश्योर another thing, it may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. If we talk about the village, the condition of the village, the health condition of the village is very bad and is going to very worst. So it is also government ensure that some of the health worker also appointed in every village. This act of making law of certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. Okay, to provide adequate toilet, to provide a sanitation, to provide pure drinking water, shortage of water को इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व आउट करना, प्रॉपर हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइड करना, प्रॉपर डॉक्टर, प्रॉपर हेल्थ वर्कर, all these things, a certain issue is done in the legislative assembly of each state. Okay, so at last in the conclusion, student, we can say that in a democracy, all of you got it, the democracy, it is the people who elect their representative. Yes, we at the age of 18 or above 18, adult, okay, we elect the which one? Representative. Our representative as a member of the legislative assembly, and which is known as MLAs, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. So here the question comes, who have the main authority? Yes, people, okay, because we choose our representative as a member of the legislative assemblies as a MLA. Fine. Now at last, student, we can also say that the ruling party member then form the government. All of you know about the ruling party. So then at last, who form the government? Ruling party, and some members are appointed as minister, health minister, education minister. I have already explained, beta. This is only a conclusion, a short thing about the whole chapter. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health. In the above example, we have already read regarding the Patalpuram district situation. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by where? Approved by the member of the legislative assembly. Okay, जो भी वो work करते हैं अपने डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड, वो कहाँ अप्रूव होता है? यस, अप्रूव्ड बाय द मेंबर ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. So student, for today that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.